how are you? So today we have Ipsy number 2, and basically this is for the month of July 2018, and here it is. I already opened number 1, and let's see how this one looks. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. I will link it below like always. And this is a $10 month box, well, bag. Let's see. Ooh, I already see something I like outside of the little baggie because they probably couldn't fit it. I see nature recipe honey, nutrition and smooth complexion, and this is a face mask. And then I have also tea tree calming and soothing. I usually do these ones via Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, follow me, and it's linked below as well. And I usually put them on, take pictures, and then later on I tell you guys how I like them. So these two are pretty nice. That's the back of them. And let's get into the actual bag. Ooh. Okay, so the little bag, it's the same as my other bag. And let's see what it comes with. Ooh. This is banana setting powder. So it looks like a pretty big size. Looks like that. Very nice. Let's see how it is inside. Seems like a little bit darker than in all the other banana powders I have, but it says in color medium, that's why. Pretty good. First thing. Then the second thing, well, no, actually I'm not even counting the face mask, so it's like the fourth thing. It's really, it could pass for a full size. Then obviously they have the Temper blending brush by Elizabeth Moth, and I really like it. It looks really nice. And this will obviously count as a full size. And let's see the bristles. Ooh, nice. Really soft, and I like that. I recently threw away like a bunch of old ones that I had, and basically using all the ones that I got from my boxes to start using them. Ooh, we have Lord and Berry. This looks like a lip liner. Let's see the color. Looks salmon orangey color. I have another one on my mouth, and this one is orange. And stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing with the two bags my makeup. So it's Ipsy makeup. This one is Ico London Travel Size Skinny Liner. So I have gotten this one before, so probably I'm gonna use my old one to sample, and then I don't know what, later on use that one. So that's about it. This is a $10 month bag, and I will also be doing whichever I like better, and we will go from there. Hopefully you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and I hope to see you back in my channel.